spend twice. You know, you buy stuff from certain places overseas, as you know, there's problems. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D back at you today. Here's something I love to explain about the construction industry and what I've been and what you really need to know being a consumer doing your tile and bathroom remodeling here in central New Jersey. So first thing is first, it costs a lot less to do things once. Most people that reach out to me, a good chunk of them, I would say, high percentage, is they don't want to pay much. They see my reviews, they want to do everything right, they love my content and make like I'm making here, and they hear the price and they're shocked and they can't believe it, and some people even hang up on me, believe it or not. The reality is that they usually they've come from hiring someone else that gave them problems, didn't show up to the job, or they did, the work's horrible, or maybe they did the work and they've had multiple failures and they won't fix it, whatever it is, and they won't help them. They won't even come back to the job to see what happened or try to figure out anything. You know, the main reasons why I find that clients end up paying twice, and usually the people that kind of look for the cheapest price at first, and they say it didn't work, when I find someone else, they're still not willing to pay the premium price or whatever it is that the contractor is charging, like myself, to do the job once and to never have a problem. So my advice to any consumer out there looking for tile installation and bathroom remodeling here in central New Jersey, for someone like myself, and I hope you call me for the project, this is what I do, and if you're in this area, but anyway, let's say you're in another area, just make sure you do your research, and before you call anyone, they should have enough information online about them and their company, what they do, and if they're really smart, they might even have some pricing listed on their website, or maybe some videos or some blogs or articles, something that shows, hey, they paid this price, these people paid this amount, and this is what happened, so on and so forth. Usually if contractors are not willing to share the prices somewhere online, or at least maybe when you call them to give you a ballpark, usually they're hiding something. If you're looking for someone that's clear and straightforward, that's just going to tell you what it's going to cost, at least a ballpark before they come out there, you know, don't call around to multiple contractors and have them come out there and have them do the tap dance for you, because most guys just run out there and charge you nothing for their time, and that's another whole subject, but they should be charged for their time to come out there, especially if you know what the project is going to cost and whatnot, being the consumer. So I hope this helps. Just make sure you do your research. Don't hire anyone because they maybe couldn't get to your job at the exact time you wanted to start, so you're just going to have someone else come in there and do it. You're not as confident in them, and you really wanted someone like me to do the project. Wait for the people that you're comfortable with and pay a premium price, and usually 95% of the time you're not going to have problems. You know, you buy stuff from certain places overseas, as you know, there's problems. You're going to have to buy the thing twice or more. You're always better buying a quality product or service and paying that premium one time and not having to spend twice. It's a lot less expensive, believe me. So I hope this helps you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video. Donnie D signing off.